So, I'm going to go ahead and first, we're going to get into how today is going to work. Okay? We had a lesson on Monday about our unit of basketball. Okay? Today's going to revolve around basketball. This is how it's going to work. We're going to have our demonstration time right now. Okay? We're going to go through a few things in our demonstration. We're going to talk about it. You guys are going to see some visuals. You guys are going to see myself demonstrating, maybe your peers demonstrating. Then we're going to jump into our activity. Okay? Our first activity is going to consist of us just really getting down, putting into play what we're learning. Okay? If we have time and if we're ready for it, we'll jump into an advanced activity, which is our activity 2. Okay? And then we'll come back here and just talk about it a little bit. Okay? Talk about what we did, talk about what we learned, and then we're out. Okay? Shouldn't be very long today, no more than 30 minutes. Got it? Are we all locked in? Are we all good? What day is it today? Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, we're all moving, we're all good? Yeah? Okay. You guys ready? Okay. So, today, prior to today, yesterday we watched a video on basketball. Now there's 3 main components of basketball. Do you remember what those were? The first main component is what? Okay, is what are the 3 main things you need to do in basketball? Dribbling. Okay, what else? Passing. And what about from this side? What else? Shooting. Beautiful. Okay. So today we're going to be doing our shooting component. Okay. Our learning objective today is you guys are going to be able to retell the proper sequence in a basketball shot. Okay. Now I have a little acronym for you guys. Okay. It's called BEEF. Can we all say it? BEEF. Okay. Now this BEEF acronym consists of the steps in the process or the sequence of shooting a basketball shot. Okay. So Caesar, you are going to be my man over here that I'm going to pass you things, and then we are all going to pass it throughout everybody else. Okay. So B starts with what? What letter? B. So in a shot, you are going to start with your base. You guys know what shoulder width apart is? Shoulder, your feet are going to line up with your shoulders. Okay? So the B in B stands for base. Everybody stands for base. Base. Okay? You want to have the base of your footings facing wherever you're shooting. This is your power. This is your push-off. You guys see it? You guys ever seen the pros where they shoot whenever they jump whenever they shoot? They have a good base. In this picture, okay, you will see a gentleman having a good base. Okay? Let's go ahead and pass that around. No more than 2-3 seconds. Okay? Make sure you guys look at it. Okay? The second one. What's our second letter? E. Okay? Is your elbow. You want to have your elbow, your dominant elbow, in wherever you're shooting, close to your side, right here, your side chest, okay? You don't want your elbow to be out, you don't want it to be up, you want it to be right here at a 90-degree angle when we are shooting, okay? So the first one you have is what? Base. Then your second E is what? Elbow, okay? In this picture, you will see a nice gentleman, and you will look at his elbow. Look at how straight his elbow is. Look at where it's pointing at. It's pointing at his target. Okay. Your next one, our second E. We have base, elbow. Second E is your eyes are above the rim. This is a rim right here. It's the red thing right there. Okay, or orange. I can't tell. Your eyes want to be just above that rim, pointing at that square. Do you guys know why that square is there? Okay? That square is there as a vantage point for your eyes to try to hit. Also, if you can hit your basketball within that square, 9 times out of 10, it's going to go inside. Karen, you can just hold them right there. You can just hold them right there. Okay? So, we have our first B is what? Second B is what? Elbow. And our third E is what? Eyes above the rim. Okay? Our final